Okay, one more video. I just watched what I just filmed and I cried. I thought I didn't get deep enough. I thought I wasn't emotional enough. And so I looked back and it actually made me cry. So if it makes me cry, then it must be okay. I wanted to talk about one last thing. What really got me through my hard time was nature. Nature was my saving grace. All the trees became my best friends. The ocean became my sanctuary. And it all just took this pain away from me. And it put me in this peaceful place. Just nature. So I want to thank nature for rising me back up, for supporting me. Because fuck, nature's so powerful. Oh, it's so powerful. And it's always here for you. It's always here for you. Just go out into nature. If you're feeling sad, angry, mad, go out into nature. The trees, they absorb that negative energy. The ocean, it absorbs that negative energy. It washes it away. Water washes it away. But yeah, nature. Nature's all I had and nature's all I needed, apparently. Yeah, so I recommend you go into the forest for 3 years and then come out. Because that's what it takes. That's what it takes to cleanse all the toxins from the outside world, from the city. That's what it takes. It takes to be fully immersed in nature for 3 years. So go do it. We'll talk soon.